following segment is sponsored by Petland.
Welcome back. We're joined once again with Ron over at Petland. Ron, thank you so much for joining us. Who's this little guy with you right now?
We have a little Sheltie here having fun, being really prim and proper right now.
Very well behaved. We're talking about allergies, and humans get allergies, but so can our dogs. So what's something that we need to be aware of as we enter the summer time of the year? It's getting hotter, pollen in the air. What do we need to do for our dogs?
Awesome question. The first two that are not allergies that we're going to hit, and one is yeast infections. Something that we had a dachshund that had some little dots on their belly, and we struggled with it for months. We went to a veterinarian. We said, we think we got some allergies. She did all this testing and all that kind of stuff and found out, and it was here at Petland that we found it out. One of our kennel technicians said, do you have a blanket over your dog? And we go, yeah. At night, she always goes underneath a blanket. Take that away, put a little sheet or something. Ended up being a moisture issue, which then produced the yeast infection kind of issues. So that's how you handle that. Medicine type allergy. So let's say you went to a veterinarian and a swelling around the face occurred or something. Know that those are medication allergies. Go back to your veterinarian for that immediately, because that could be life-threatening. So those two are really easy to knock out. But in general, flea allergies are the number one out there. And that's just basic fleas being on your dog. And we are in flea season. You combine the heat that we have and the moisture, you've got fleas and ticks all over the place. So those fleas get on there, they do little bites, and the little allergy symptoms start propping up. So if you see a lot of scratching and all that kind of stuff, make sure that you're up to speed on your flea protection. So those topical products that you put on there. The next one is inhalation type allergies, and those are similar to what we would see, and that is that we got sniffy noses and watery eyes and all that kind of. Our dogs can have that as well. The next one is dog food allergies. We hear a lot about dog food allergies, but they actually are very rare. The dog food manufacturers will have us believe that all these dog foods have all these allergens in it. Actually, it's not all that true. It rarely is the situation. It's more digestional issues that are occurring that we note, which are something different than allergies. And then finally, the last allergen is contact. I know when I see that on dogs when they walk into our store and they have red paws and they're itching them all the time, especially if it's just in the summer months. Those are contact allergies, and you can, again, get rid of that contact by not letting them out as much or putting some kind of a matting outside where they can do their potty issues and then bringing them back in. You can also use hotspot type products that are out there where it's something you put on there, soothes the area so that they're not as itchy and all that. In extreme cases of all these, talk with your veterinarian about it, because they're going to help you through that process to get your dog back comfortable and even tempered and fun again.
Well, awesome advice there, Ron. Thank you as always for your time. And if you have any questions for Ron, you can give him a call at the number here on your screen, 319-512-7949. As always, big thanks to Petland for sponsoring this segment.